Hey guys, it's Ginger with Lost Boy Tarot here to do a little check-in for Virgo. See what's going on for Virgo. Oh, damn, Virgo showing up as the Empress. Wow, Virgo, overall energy is Tower. What is going on? Okay, let's see. Virgo, it looks like you have a King of Cups that is headed straight for you, who views you as his Empress. He is taking action, it looks like. Now, this is going to, we've got the Lovers, we've got the Two of Wands, and we've got the Four of Cups. Look, this choice is coming in. You are in the Two of Wands energy. And when this happens, we've got the Page of Cups to the, the Hanged Man, Page of Cups to the Hermit. It could be a water sign coming in with this apology and offer. That Page of Cups, is beautiful. And the Hanged Man in this deck, I do want to show this, Virgo. In most, like the Rider-Waite, the Hangman is portrayed as hanging upside down, right? Not in this, if you notice this. In this card, the roots are growing down and he is coming from the roots. He is, half of his face is hidden. I've not really noticed that before. You may have no idea about this, Virgo. No idea, but it's going to be a Tower moment for you. He's just wanting to leave the past behind. Wow, this King of Cups is going to come in. Let's see what the oracles say for this. I'm going to leave it right there for right now. Oh my god, look at Wheel of Fortune on the bottom. Okay, let's see what the oracles have for this to this point. Spiritual awakening, reunion, heal abandonment, and speak your truth. Speak your truth on the bottom and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, spiritual awakening, reunion, heal abandonment. Look, it's time to forgive. Whatever happened in this relationship, Virgo, it is time to forgive it. This comes out twice. Reconcile differences, shift or be shifted. Time to forgive. Let go of shit from the past. Maybe you both had abandonment issues, and that's perhaps what the issue was in the connection. Or maybe this King of Cups that's coming towards you has had abandonment issues in the past. But it's saying the Wheel of Fortune is here, followed by the Star. And speak your truth. Express yourself. Now is not the time to hold back. Holy shit, Virgo. No wonder you are in a Tower moment. And you know what? And for you to even be in the energy you're in, like, it's not cut and dry. I think this is somebody you were waiting on, but you stopped waiting on, because you are not just like, oh my god, you're finally here. You know what I mean? You're not like that at all. You're more like, are you fucking kidding me? What are you doing? Yeah, I think you've maybe let this go. Oh, Virgo, he is watching you. He is watching you. I have no idea. No idea. He thinks you are the end-all, be-all, honey. Yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look, he is ready to run wide open with you, Virgo. You can't make this shit up. Ace of Cups. Okay, we've got Judgment, Ace of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Hierophant, Fool. Like, he is ready to just fucking come express all this shit and run wide open with it. Oh my God. Okay, let's look. Okay, let's take a look at the Virgo right now. Current for Virgo. Current. What is in the current for Virgo? Look. She has moved the hell on. Chariot, Two of Cups, Eight of Wands, Empress. Yeah, she has moved on. Wow. Or I say she. Virgo. Virgo has moved on. Oh, shit. Yeah, that explains the what the fuck energy, right? Okay, Spirit, do you have any advice for Virgo? Advice for Virgo. It's reiterating the same thing. We have both kings out. Five of Cups, Judgment. Yeah, Virgo, someone is going to get hurt. Like, that's, okay, Judgment. Yeah. Man, advice. Spirit's definitely telling you, Virgo, you need to heal this. Regardless, it does need to be healed. Look, we've got the Six of Cups, and yeah, you are really, Virgo, you need to stand your ground. Look at where you feel your best. What brings you the most joy? You know what I mean? Absolutely. Heal what is in the past, but you are, like, showing up queen, divine feminine. Yeah. I mean, this is sacred sexuality, accessing the unified field, and twin flame. Look, and that is one thing, Virgo. Sex with your twin flame, you know, there's no denying that. So if that's on the board, I can understand why there is way more. Oh my goodness. Unification, aligning with abundance. Virgo, this could be your twin flame coming back. And you know what? With everything else I've said, with you letting go, with you moving on, and now, you're good. You are damn good on your own, and you truly let this go, and it looks like now your divine masculine's coming back in. Oh my goodness. Okay, Virgo, if that resonates and you would like a personal read, the information to reach me is in the description box below. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you.